So in the third exercise, we need to write a short function minmax, which will take a sequence of one or more numbers and return the smallest and the largest number. Okay, but we cannot use the built-in functions min or max. Okay, let's get started with this one. Find the function, and I'm going to use the type hints. So this is going to be a list of integers, and it should return a tuple to integers. Now, the way we're going to do this is we're going to declare two variables to store the minimum value and the maximum one. And we're going to initialize those two values with the same value, which will be the first element in the list. Okay, so I'm going to have min val is going to be data 0, because we know that the input is going to be a list with at least one element. And max val is going to be data 0 again. And now the simplest solution is to just iterate through the list. So I'm going to iterate through data and check if x is smaller than min val. I'm going to make min val equal to x. Okay, so and the other condition is going to be if x is bigger than max val, then max val is going to be equal to x. And in the end, we just need to return a tuple with min val and max val. Okay, let's try this out. I'm going to run this interactively as always. So if I just give a list with one element, it's just going to give me both min and max as 5. If I do 4, 1, 23, 7, 12, and 5, let's see. Okay, so we get 1 and 23, which, let's put some negative numbers. -7, 1, and then -2. Okay, it gives -7, 23, which are the correct ones. So that was it. That's the solution for this problem. See you in the next one.